Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and build a stunning online store with Webflow's intuitive e-commerce platform. First, let's dive into the Webflow dashboard. Navigate to the e-commerce section, where you'll find everything you need to set up your shop. Our first crucial step is adding your products. Click on Products, and then New Product. Here, you'll fill in essential details like product name, description, and upload captivating images. Don't forget to set up pricing, manage inventory levels, and define any product variations like size or color. This ensures a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Now, let's bring your products to life visually in the designer. Access the Add Elements panel and drag a product list element onto your page. Webflow automatically populates this list with your product catalog. You can then customize the layout, styling, and display options to perfectly match your brand. Crucially, add a Buy button to each product card. This is the direct link that allows customers to add items to their cart. Once you've designed your product pages and listings, test the Add to Cart functionality to ensure it's working flawlessly. Next, we'll configure your shopping cart and checkout process. Webflow offers built-in cart management and secure checkout solutions, so your customers can purchase with confidence. Customize the look of your checkout pages and verify that shipping options and payment gateways are correctly set up. With your products listed, designs applied, and checkout secured, you've successfully built a professional e-commerce website in Webflow, ready to start selling.